Good day, guys. Tente Malupa again here. Let me welcome you guys back on the channel. Of course, if you are new, make sure you click that subscribe button down below on your screen. Now, guys, I wanted us to talk a little bit about ways that you can actually formulate to actually use a trading robot and be able to make money with a trading robot, any trading robot. But of course, don't come with bad robots and try and find out what you can do from me. And I can't help you with any other person's robot, but I want to give you some tips on what to do with a trading robot. What you need to do with a trading robot, you need to find out the best time for every robot. Every robot has got its own time. So you can't use my robot at night. My robot is not good at night. So if you want to trade at night, you won't be making as much money as you would during the day. So you need to know what kind of a robot do you have. And also you got to identify whether it's a scalping or a day trading robot. And for you to know such a thing, you need to ask the owner of the robot. The owner of the robot, they know very well if the robot is an intraday scalping robot or intraday day trading robot. So you gotta have that information in hand, otherwise you won't be doing the right things. You gotta know the best time frame to use when you are trading with a certain robot. Just because you were using somebody else's robots on MT4 and you were using 4-hour time frame, it doesn't mean you gotta do the same thing with mine. If you do the same thing, you're not gonna make money. You gotta find out from me which are the best time frames to use with the robot. And also you gotta find out the time sessions. With me, when you buy the robot, of course, you get the time sessions as well. So I will give you a list of time sessions. You will see the inputs and the time sessions everywhere. I've got a document, 2 pages that you go through and you understand how best to implement this trading robot. That's what we gotta do. So a lot of people, I don't want you guys to think that using a trading robot, you're just gonna sit back and watch. Yes, most of the time you gotta do that, but you have to be active in such a way that you gotta control the lot sizes, you gotta control the stop losses, you gotta control the take profit. As a trade goes, you can trail the stop loss to the profit so that you could protect your trades. So even if it goes against you, you're not gonna lose the accumulated trades. You are protecting the profits. So things like that, they need you to be active. So if you don't know things like that, this is why I always say with my trading robot, when you are an experienced trader, you will trade better than anybody else because you have some knowledge. You know about the trailing stop, you know about the stop loss, you know about a fixed lot size, you know about an adjustable lot size, you know about this kind of things, you know about leverage, you know about these things. So if you know about the basics of trading, of Forex, then you will apply better skills when you are using the robot. That's what you gotta do. This is what I always say. You have to know what you are doing. Otherwise, it won't be as profitable as you would think. Just because I'm making 30,000 a day doesn't mean you're gonna do the same thing, because I've got a lot of experience. I know how to maneuver some losses and make sure that I minimize my losses and apply proper techniques to use the robot. That is something you can share. Experience is something you can share. I can share the skill, I can share the knowledge, but I can't share experience. Experience stays with me. So everybody has to have their own experience. So if you wanna just wanna sit back and watch the market do its thing and you are not participating, you are not gaining any experience. You are just watching. You are a spectator. So you're not gonna be making as much money as me or as anybody else that's making money. I've got a lot of students that are making. So about 95% of my students are making money with my robot, right? But about 70% of them, they are that good. They are that good because they're experienced traders and they take my advice when I say this is what you need to apply, this is what you need to look out for. So those are the kind of things that you need to bear in mind so that you can become a better robot user. You understand? Tente Malpa again here, making sure that you guys use trading robots the right way. I'm not just talking about my trading robots. I'm talking about anybody else robots out there. So you gotta apply these things and you will see a change. Go and apply these things and see a change. If you think this information was useful to you, make sure that you click the subscribe button down below on the screen, like the video, share it with anybody that you know that they wanna trade using a robot or they're already trading using a robot. Share this information. Tente Malapa again here, signing out. Peace.